Hi, my name is Zhang, and I'm the tester of Group PG26. Today I will present the test review of software engineering and project. This is the outline. First, I will introduce the specifications. Then I will answer the question about test management, exclusion, and bug tracking, which based on the test review checklist. In the end, there will have a reference list. Now I'm going to introduce the specifications. After submitted related documents and held several client meetings, the client's feedback to our project was the end user accept and agreeing that the defined requirements which were mentioned in the SRS document. The end user participated in the development of the requirements, and he suggests us to add speed control functions and showed it on the GUI. Also, he mentioned the display area of the map could be bigger, and when the relevant instruction is excluded, the button could be highlighted. Every requirement which in the SRS document has specified acceptance criteria, and we describe every function in the milestone documents, so the user could sign off the milestone checklist at the end of the phase. Some requirements define the limits of possible changes to the data volume. For example, in R1000 in SRS document, the robot shall not respond with delay of bigger than 2 seconds for 80% instructions from remote control operator. Also, the SRS document has defined the acceptance criteria. The system will build according to the acceptance criteria, and it has been verified in the document of milestone 1 and 2. The part of test management, the risk assessment and the reviewed had included in the SPMP document. The risk assessment had been mentioned in risk TR003 and risk TR004. And the test reviewed was follow the quality assurance plan. The test approach was mentioned in the quality assurance plan of the SPMP documents too, and it will follow the relevant contents of SRS document. The SRS document defined the task specification in R1005, that is, all the components of the system should be fully tested and easy to maintain within each version, during development and post-development. The test cases will follow the SRS document and the SDD document, and this document defines each model's function and the correct test results. The date value for the test cases has been determined. We use JUnit to test our code, and the return value was determined. For example, we define the return value for the color. Red is 0, green is 1, blue is 2, yellow is 3, white is 6, and black is 7. And we match the correct value by JUnit. So if the code is correct, the value we matched should equals the return value of the color. The expected results for each test case has been defined too. If there has no the return value, we change the code's structure to build the return value of each function in the JUnit test case. The next part is exclusion. At the current stage, the automatic model has not finished yet, but we finished the manual model, and we almost finished the test cases of this part with JUnit. Our test design based on the user requirement as stated in the SRS document, and the overall code structure of EV3 robot has been provided by the LaJoyce, which means a large part of return value has been defined by LaJoyce. So it can be said that the testing environments were similar to the final user version. We use the JUnit to do the test, and each function has its own JUnit test case. If the test result is correct, JUnit will show the green tick in the left panel in Eclipse. If the test fails, there will be a red cross in the panel. The test cases have been excluded and pass or fail status been assigned. That is green or red in the panel of Eclipse. The last part is bug tracking. The bug tracking criteria has been defined. If there has a bug, JUnit will display a red cross in the panel of Eclipse. Not every bug has been posted or tracked to the test case, because we cannot locate the location of every bug, such as the Wi-Fi connection model often interrupted automatically, and we cannot find the location and the reasons of this connection bug. But most bugs have been posted against each failed test case and it have been tracked to the test case. We have not met the situation that need to create a new test case. All the current location of the known bug can be used to test with the initial test cases. We have not finished the automatic model and we're still working on it. All the test cases of manual model were passed, and we will try our best to fix all the bugs and pass all the test cases before releasing final produce to the user. Here is the reference, and my presentation is finished. Thank you for watching.